easy go.
Yo, what is up you guys? Orion Tech Tips here, back at it with another video. So I recorded this video earlier this morning, and when I was editing the video, the audio sounded so quiet, and I couldn't really figure out why. So I'm going to try to record it again, and then see if that was just an audio glitch, and if that was just some glitch I could fix, or something else. So going to try to make the video again and see how it goes. So this is the ultimate $400 PC build, or the ultimate $426.92 PC build. Before I get started, I do want to say I was in South America for about a month, or about 3 weeks, and I couldn't upload there because the Wi-Fi on the cruise was so bad. So that's why. I do apologize for that. My chair is so squeaky. Wow. Okay, random facts. Alright, so for the CPU, I went with the Ryzen 3 2200G 3.5 gigahertz, 4-core, 4-thread, 3.7 gigahertz boost. Has a really good cooler included. We are not, however, going to be using integrated graphics, even though it has integrated graphics. Instead, we're going to use dedicated graphics card, which I will get to later. For the motherboard, we're using the ASRock B450M HDV. Not even going to say that full name, but it's a $50 motherboard, so it's not very feature rich. It does support 32 GB up to 3200 megahertz DDR4. No Crossfire or SLI support, but you shouldn't expect it at this price range. Okay, so moving on, we have the RAM, which is 16 gigabytes, 3000 DDR4 megahertz Corsair Vengeance LPX, and you might be wondering, why do you need 16 gigabytes of RAM at this budget if you're new to PC gaming, and you cannot get away with 8 in 2019. Yeah, 8 just simply isn't enough. If you're casually playing League of Legends, yes, you can get away with 8, or like some casual esports game, CSGO, League of Legends, Dota 2, you can get it with 8, but I imagine most of you guys will actually be wanting to play proper, like, modern games, like Battlefield 5, Call of Duty Infinite Warfare, The Outer Worlds, games like that. Okay, so, for storage, now this is definitely a personal preference. I couldn't fit a 1TB SSD at this price range. You could go with a, like, maybe something that I'd recommend if you have extra money is stick with this SSD, 204 gigabytes. Definitely put the game, well, you can't really fit many games, but, like, of course you want Windows, your editing software, and maybe 1 or 2 games on it, and then you can get a 2TB hard drive on top of that. I did not do that because it just wasn't part of the budget. Well, I couldn't include it in the budget without making some major cuts. Yeah, unfortunately, so... Or you could go with a 500 gigabyte SSD, but of course that all requires more money that you may not have. So 240 gigabytes is good for now, and then maybe you get some more money in the future, you just throw in another SSD. Yeah. I would not, however, one thing I would not recommend doing is going with just a hard drive, because that's just going to be so slow. Like, booting Windows is just going to be so ridiculously slow. Yeah, it's going to be painful if you just have spinning rust in your PC, no SSD. Okay, so for the graphics card with the XFX Radeon RX 580, go with any RX 580 8GB that you found. This is the cheapest one for $140. 8GB VRAM is definitely recommended in 2019 or 2020. You can't get away with 4, and you definitely cannot get away with any less than 4. So if you do have a GTX 1063 gig to this day, good luck playing modern games. That's all I'm going to say, because that really just will not work. I remember when that card came out, everyone was saying, like, it's such a good deal. It's so good, and looking back now, there was a $50 price difference, and if you spend the extra $50, the GTX 1060 6GB to this day, it still performs great, but the 3GB won't. Yeah, it's dead. So yeah, if you're still using a 3GB 1060, I'm sure you regret not buying the 6GB. Alright, moving on, we have the... Okay, for a case, this is just the cheapest one I could find. That didn't look like a trash can. It, of course, has a side window, so you can actually see your components. As you can see, yeah. Don't really know about cable management, but you know, at this price, you shouldn't spend more than this much money on the case. So this is $27 for a case. You shouldn't spend more than that. I mean, not, did I say less or more? You shouldn't spend more than that, because you're just going to make too many hits to the performance. Okay, so for the power supply, this Thermaltake Smart 500 watts, 80 plus bronze power supply, and this is, of course, sleeved. Yeah, really no complaints. It's, how much is it? $45. So I mean, you really can't get power supplies, a good power supply, for cheaper than that. I really wish the prices would go down, but unfortunately it hasn't. So you know, you're just going to have to spend the money for a good power supply, because yeah, 500 watts is definitely, you definitely have some room if you want to, like, maybe like add some more parts to it. Yeah, so we still do have, I guess, yeah, that's all the parts. So I do want to say, we're 8 minutes into the video. Alright, so this is a $400 holiday PC build, but I do want, maybe I'm going away for Denver for the holidays, so I know I stopped uploading YouTube videos for a month, and then I'm not going to upload a YouTube video in Denver because I don't know how the Wi-Fi is going to be. Well, maybe if I can squeeze one or two, I'll try that, but I'm not sure if that's going to work. Just not sure. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. $400. I want to say something else, but I just don't know what I want to say. Let me know what other videos you want to see. If you have a video recommendation in the comment section down below. Please follow my social medias. They'll all be in the description. And yeah, I'll see. I want to post this video, but I don't know how. Like, I could barely hear myself when I tried to edit this morning's video, so I guess I just reshot it. I haven't. Oh, I know. I just want to say, gaming live streams. I haven't done one of those in forever, and I really wanted to get back into them. I haven't, done a gaming live stream in 6, maybe 7 months in this house. So I know I got Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and I do want to play that on stream. So yeah, let me know. If you want to see another gaming live stream. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please do me a favor, like and subscribe. Follow my social medias. Until next time, see you in the next video. Peace.